In this video, we are going to be discussing the best DJ controller for 2022. We will be discussing the different features that each controller offers and which one is the best for you depending on your needs. We believe that by watching this video, you will be able to make an informed decision as to which controller is right for you in 2022. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is Pioneer DJ DDJ Controller. For thousands of professional DJ and artists, Pioneer is their brand of choice. We have included a handful of Pioneer DJ controllers on our list of the best DJ controllers. Our first position is occupied by a DJ controller designed by Pioneer. For beginners, the Pioneer DDJ SB3 DJ Controller is an intuitive layout. The controls are perfectly placed and symmetrically arranged so that you can easily get used to them. In terms of layout, the Pioneer DDJ SB3 is similar to other premium options from the DDJ S series. The device is equipped with all of the essential hardware, including jog wheels, performance pads, and cue buttons. The pad scratch allows you to add scratch sounds to current and cue tracks. There is also an FX fade feature on the Pioneer DDJ SB3 that makes mixing very easy, as it reduces volume and applies the phase effect. It is easy to use for both professionals and beginners. High-pass filter, low-pass filter, playback loop, and backspin are some of the additional features of the Pioneer DDJ SB3. In order to ensure extreme durability, the Pioneer DDJ SB3 is made with premium material. Aluminum jog wheels have the same properties. Audio at 24 bits and 44.1 kHz is supported by the built-in sound card. In addition, it has a noise ratio of 103 dB and a frequency range of 20 to 20 kHz. At number 2 is Hercules DJ Control Starlight. As a complete contrast to our previous choice, our next brand features the DJ Controller. The next option comes from Hercules, which offers a very affordable option for beginners. The Starlight DJ Controller from Hercules is our second choice for the best DJ controller. It is probably the best DJ controller for beginners as it is easy to use and does not cost a lot. On the Hercules Starlight DJ Controller, you'll also get free Serato DJ Lite integration. Despite being a cheap option, it comes with a built-in sound card that powers headphones and speakers. Using RGB LED lights, you can control the board's illumination to get the desired effect. Among the features of Hercules Starlight DJ Controller are bass controller, filters, hot cue modes, FX effects, loop feature, sampler support, etc. To control the track, there are compact pressure-sensitive jog wheels as well as controllers. The unit has a compact form factor, so it is easy to carry around. To give you an idea of its size, the Hercules Starlight DJ Controller measures 13.4 x 3.9 x 1.93 inches. In a college bag, it can be easily packed. In addition to all of these features, Hercules also provides a 2-year warranty period. At number 3 is Roland DJ Controller 2-channel with Serato Pro. Roland is another premium brand name in the industry, which makes all kinds of musical instruments and DJ equipment. A DJ controller from Roland is similarly high-end as its other products. Our third choice for the best DJ controller is the Roland DJ Controller. We have placed this unit so high due to its symmetrical design and premium features. The DJ controller has 2 channels and 4 decks. A built-in integration is provided for Serato DJ Lite. Due to the fact that you are purchasing the unit in the US, you will also receive a free upgrade to Serato DJ Pro software. On the Roland DJ Controller, the jog wheels are large and easy to use. Additionally, they offer very low latency, which improves performance. In terms of scratching and other mixing effects, the Roland DJ Controller provides an optimal performance. Also included are Roland's legendary drum kits as well as advanced analog circuit behavior technology. Each TR kit includes 8 sounds, such as bass, drums, close hats, toms, and claps. In addition, an onboard sequencer manages sampler input software on the fly. Roland DJ controllers support a frequency range of 20 Hz to 22 kHz, with a sampling frequency of 48 kHz. At number 4 is Pioneer DJ Controller, the DJ400. Pioneer is a professional and premium brand. but it also offers some budget-friendly DJ controllers like this one. DDJ series controllers from Pioneer also include this one. On our list of the best DJ controllers, we have included a handful of options from Pioneer. Pioneer's DDJ 400 model is a great choice for budget-conscious consumers. Similar to the popular CDJ and DJM series DJ controllers, it has a similar layout. Furthermore, there's a built-in sound card that can be connected via USB for plug-and-play operation. Pioneer's DDJ 400 is powered by Recordbox DJ software, unlike most other choices. To activate the premium software, you will receive a license key along with the unit. Additionally, you will find a tutorial on Recordbox DJ software, which will help you understand the basics of the Pioneer DJ controller. Pioneer DDJ 400's frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which is standard for music production. The Pioneer DDJ 400 works with both Mac OS and Windows operating systems. On the Pioneer DDJ 400, Pioneer offers a 1-year warranty, which is great considering the lack of warranty on many premium products. At number 5 is RANE 1, Complete DJ Set and DJ Controller. RANE is another very premium brand on our list that offers a high-quality DJ controller. Besides DJ controllers, RANE also offers rotary mixers and players, as well as other DJ equipment. This is another complete DJ system that is definitely worth the high price. You can download Serato DJ Pro software for free with the RANE 1 DJ system. You can connect up to 2 laptops simultaneously using the unit's dual USB connection support and 2-deck control. Among the effects, there are 6 quick launch effects. Dedicated loop controls and dual metal paddles make mixing very easy. There are 8 performance pads on each deck, and they are color-coded so you can easily identify their functions. With 7.2 inches wide wheels and a vintage vinyl disc feel, the jog wheels on the motorized platters will become your personal favorite option from now on. A turntable-style setup is possible with the quick-release acrylic disc on the jog wheels. With its 3-band EQ and filter controls and MAG4 crossfader, you can mix songs according to your taste. If you're looking to get the feel of vintage DJ mixers, the RANE 1 is a great choice. On the RANE 1, you will also receive a 1-year warranty. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.